Hi guys, this video is about making a galaxy tie-dye shirt. Here's the supply list: gloves, dye, a big container, a pre-washed 100% cotton shirt, rubber bands, soda ash, a table or any flat surface, a teaspoon, a measuring cup, an apron, safety goggles, a waterproof table covering, one big rack or two small racks, a small funnel and squeezy bottles, a Ziploc bag or garbage bags, and paper towels. Place the wet shirts you'll be tie-dyeing into a mixture of soda ash and warm water for 20 to 40 minutes. The proportion there is about 1 cup of soda ash per 2 gallons of water. Always pre-wash your shirts before tie-dyeing with warm water and very little detergent. Do not dry the shirts. While the shirt is being soaked in soda ash and water mixture, mix the cold dyes you need. I recommend pouring the dye in the squeezy bottles using a funnel, and I would create the dye water mixture near a sink and away from your tie-dyeing location. After 20 to 40 minutes, squeeze out excess water until the shirt is a little damp. Open up the shirt and align the shoulder area and the bottom of the shirt. Remove any wrinkles you see. Also take off your gloves. For this design, I'll be using fuchsia and neutral gray, but you could change these colors to Aqua Marine, Cerulean Blue, and Navy if you like. Start at the center of the shirt and start crumbling the shirt gently. Keep making crumbles, grabbing both the top and bottom of the shirt. The raised portions will get the most color, and even crumbles will ensure even distribution of your color. Try to make the crumbles the same size. Once done with crumbling the entire shirt, mold it from sides into a circle. Wiggle 3 to 4 medium rubber bands onto different portions of the shirt without moving the shirt too much. The rubber bands do not need to be tight in this design, but they should not be too loose either. Grab some paper towels and place them on the table. Place the big rack or 2 small racks above the paper towels. Place your shirt on top of a rack. For this shirt, I will start with fuchsia. I will spread the color onto the crumbled areas evenly, leaving room for other colors as well. Then I'll use neutral gray in portions that are still white. I do still plan on leaving a few white areas. Try not to use too much color in one place. You could use the squeezy bottle nozzle to get into some of the folds, but not too much. Try your best not to place too much of one color on top of another. Some mixing of colors is okay. Fuchsia and neutral gray will make purple in the areas where they mix. A little bit purple will be okay, but too much purple can take over the lighter colors in the design. Once done on one side, flip the shirt onto the second rack or another section of the big rack, and simply use the same colors you used on the other side. The shirt that has Aqua Marine and Cerulean also has navy. For that combination of colors, use navy last and only a little. Just very quickly place navy in some of the white portions throughout the shirt. Do not place navy into the folds using the squeezy bottle nozzle. It is such a strong color that it will seep through into the shirt to some extent by itself. Open up the garbage bag or the Ziploc bag and place the shirt into the bag without dragging it. After 24 hours, wash the shirt underwater with the rubber band still on. Once water runs clear after squeezing, take off the rubber bands. Keep washing and squeezing the shirt until the water runs clear. You can now further wash your shirt with some detergent and cold or warm water. This can be in a washing machine, sink, or bathtub. Just remember to wash each shirt individually. Dry your shirt, and there you have it. You have made a galaxy tie-dye shirt.